Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M34 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and selecting Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Following that, tap on this plus over here and firstly set up an hour. When you're done, click on days of the week that you wish to set up and tap on alarm name in order to label it. Now you finally can scroll down and click on the switches next to all of those features to turn them off or on. You can also tap on each one and adjust it. Let's start with alarm sound. By swiping left or right on this slider at the bottom, you can adjust the volume of your alarm. You can also tap on Spotify, log into your account and use music from it, or click on ringtone, select allow, and click on those two switches next to those two features to turn them on or off. In order to pick a song from your device and set it up, click on this plus at the top right corner. Then decide if you wish to enable or disable Play Selected Highlights option at the top. Tap on the song that you wish to use and click on Done at the top right corner. In order to pick any other one instead of the custom one, click on it. Then go back, select vibration and pick the best vibration pattern for this alarm. You can also select silent at the bottom. Now select snooze and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Lastly, after going back, click on save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. In order to make some changes, click on it, change whatever you want to and click on save again. If you wish to switch it off completely, tap on this switcher next to it. And to turn it back on, select the same, now grey one. Lastly, to delete your alarm, just hold it and click on delete at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!